Variable declaration in Apex. So variable is a temporary location we use to store different types of data types in Apex. So we can store integer values, string values, Boolean or custom object values also using these variables. The syntax for variable will starts with access specifier, and then after that will be a data type and the variable name when assignment equals to the value that we are assigning. So before defining a variable, we have to specify what data type it is. It is an integer type, is it in a string type, is it in a Boolean type, we have to define that one. So there are some key points to remember when we are defining a variable. So first one, we should start the characters with the variable definition. Variable should be a single word. We can use underscore as a special character. Suppose if you want to combine two words into a single word without giving space, you put this underscore special character instead of the space. We can't define a variable with the same name. Suppose I defined a variable name my number, and I want to define the same number with changing the letters from capital to small. So where Apex is a case sensitive programming language. So sorry, it is not a case sensitive programming language. So if you define it in the capital letters or in small letters, it still take both are identical, and it doesn't allow you to specify two variables with the same name. So variable declaration. Before you use a variable, we have to declare it. So declaration means we have to specify the variable data type and variable name and assign the value to that variable. So there are two ways we can declare and initialize. Declaration is like without giving any value to that variable. Simply we give it a data type and a variable name and ends with a semicolon. So that comes as the declaration. Declaration. Initialization. After declaration, we have to specify a value. Suppose in the initial stage of declaring a variable, you given a value as 10. Suppose in the example as shown in the uh, video, you see in the initialization integer my number is equals to 10. So we assigned a value at, at the initial stage of the variable declaration equals to 10. But even for the string variable type also we declared some value and boolean type also we declared. So what happens if you don't declare any value? So Salesforce will take the value as null. Apex programming language will take that value as null. So in this way we can declare the variable in Apex